Hello guys! Today, let's tackle the multimedia and ICT and to know the benefits from it. So, wala nang paligoy-ligoy. Simulan na natin. So, what is multimedia? Multimedia is the combination of different media platforms to convey information or to create an interactive experience. So, yung multimedia ay kombinasyon ng different media like Facebook, YouTube, Spotify, TikTok na kung saan nakakapagbigay ito ng impormasyon o di kaya kaalaman, kasanayan at karanasan sa gumagamit nito. So, what is the connection between ICT and multimedia? ICT is providing digital technologies and infrastructure that enables the creation, integration, and delivery of interactive and engaging multimedia content across various platforms and devices. So, sa madaling salita, yung ICT is yung pinagmulan. And then, yung multimedia naman is siya naman yung nagpapakalat. For example, yung ICT is yung chismis. Then, yung multimedia naman is yung mga chismoso at chismosa. Siyempre, yung mga chismoso at chismosa, pag nakari ng chismis, kakalat agad yan sa buong barangay. Ano? Guess ba? Kung guess mo, is good. So let's proceed to the benefits of multimedia and ICT to different fields. The first one is business. By using advertisement as marketing strategy to attract prospect client and consumer. So sa pamamagitan ng advertisement and promotion, kagaya nito, by posting in media platforms kagaya ng Facebook, many people can see your business. Through multimedia content, provide as learning process. Sa panahon ngayon, 21st century, halos lahat ng kabataan ngayon ay marunong ng gumamit ng gadgets, di ba? Lalo sa tag-init. Maraming school ang nag-cancel ng klase due to the extreme weather. So, para tuloy pa rin ng klase, through media platforms or online class sila natututo. For example, may lesson kang na-miss. So, pwede mo siyang basahin or panoodin through media platforms kagaya ng YouTube para lang mahabol yung mga lesson na pag-iwanan ka. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang entertainment. Dumaan ang pandemic, maraming tao na stress at nagkaroon ng anxiety, especially na yung mga bata. So, naging daan ang mga online games sa pandemic upang makapagbigay aliw sa mga tao. Pero, hindi ko sinasabing online games lang ha, marami pang iba. Medicine. The field of medicine integrates multimedia content to analyze further the field of the study and to train future doctors and practitioners through visual presentation. Mathematics and scientific research. When we heard math and science, we say it's hard. It's hard to solve, hard to analyze, and hard to understand. But through video, podcast, and courseware, we can easily understand the method used to solve complex problems. Government. Through media platforms, they can easily deliver announcements, regulation like this sa lahat ng mamamayan. So that's all. Thank you.